If you're looking to grow a full, thick, and healthy beard, then you might have come across the term beard derma roller in your research. And you probably thought to yourself, does this really work? Well, we thought the exact same thing, so we dug into the research behind it to see for ourselves. In this video, we'll share the science-backed benefits of using a beard derma roller and explain how it works to stimulate beard growth. First things first, let's define what a beard derma roller is. A derma roller is a handheld device that contains hundreds of tiny needles that are used to make small punctures in the skin. This process is known as microneedling and is a popular technique that is used to promote collagen production and improve skin texture as well as hair stimulation and growth. This technique is super effective and has been used in high-end salons for decades. Now, a beard derma roller, as the name suggests, is a derma roller specifically designed for the face and beard. And just to be clear, a lot of people refer to this as a beard roller. It's the exact same thing. Tomato, tomato, or so they say. Okay, so how does this thing actually work? The process of microneedling with a beard roller works by creating tiny punctures in the skin. Don't worry, it's not gonna hurt. These punctures are so small that they're not even visible to the naked eye, but they're enough to trigger the body's natural healing response. When the body detects these tiny injuries, it sends a rush of blood and nutrients to the affected area to repair the damage. This rush of blood and nutrients stimulates beard growth in the area by triggering a process called neurovascularization. Wow, that's a mouthful. The increased blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, which essentially helps to actually stimulate dormant hair follicles and grow even though they've never grown before. The microneedling process also increases collagen production, which can help strengthen the hair follicles and prevent hair loss. This microneedling process, though, itself is really just the first step to activating new beard growth, as one of the other key benefits is that it enhances product absorption. You see, these tiny punctures created by the microneedling process create these channels in the skin that allow for products to penetrate deeper into the hair follicles. This can help improve the effectiveness of these products and provide better results over time, which is exactly why we work to create the absolute best natural beard activator serum on the market. Now, Beard Activator Serum is a specialized product that is designed to promote beard growth by providing essential nutrients and vitamins to the hair follicles. And when used in conjunction with a beard roller, the serum can help further enhance the effects of the micro injuries created by the roller to help you grow a fuller beard. And we're so confident in this product that we back it by our better beard growth guarantee. If you aren't happy with your improved beard growth, just hit us up and we'll refund you, no questions asked. It's that simple. Okay, so now that you know the benefits of using a beard roller, let me show you how to use it. Step 1, disinfect. Use the beard roller sanitizer to clean the beard roller and allow it to fully dry before use. Step 2, wash your beard and face thoroughly. Before using a beard roller, it's important to cleanse your skin to remove any dirt, oil, or bacteria that could cause infection. Step 3, roll the beard roller over your face. Roll the beard roller over the skin in a vertical, up and down, and horizontal side-to-side direction. Apply gentle pressure and be careful not to apply too much force. Roll over each section of your beard area 10 to 15 times. Step 4, apply Beard Activator Serum. After using the derma roller, apply the activator serum to the skin in the same area of your beard that you wish it to grow. The tiny punctures created by the microneedling process will allow the product to penetrate deeper into the hair follicles to provide the best results. Step 5, clean the beard roller. Now that you're done using it, spray it with the beard roller sanitizer to clean it again and let it dry completely before storing it. We recommend using the Beard Activator Serum daily to maximize beard growth, and use the beard roller 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. We don't recommend more than that because you really want to allow time for your skin to heal. And we also recommend that you replace the beard roller once every 1 to 2 months, as the needles do become dull over time with regular use. Okay, so now you know what a beard derma roller is, or beard roller is, and you know how it works and how to use it, so I'll wrap with this. Be consistent. To see the best results, it's important to use your beard roller consistently. Aim to use it 2 to 3 times a week and use your activator serum daily. Be patient. The best results come after 8 to 12 weeks of use, so have realistic expectations of how long it'll take to start seeing your new beard growth. Don't share your beard roller. This tool punctures your skin, so it's not sanitary to share with anyone. And lastly, be gentle. Guys, apply gentle pressure when using the beard roller to avoid damaging the skin and hair follicles. You don't need to sit there and rub this thing, you're only gonna cause irritation. All right guys, so there you have it. We're super proud of this product, put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this, and I know you're gonna love it. We love seeing it work to help guys grow a better beard, and know it'll help you too. If you have any questions about this, about derma rollers, about anything at all, guys, hit us up. You know we always got your back. And as always, live bearded, brother.